You asked, how to divide 37,488 by 12 using the long division method. 3 is too small. Use 37. 37 divided by 12 equals 3. 3 times 12 equals 36. 37 minus 36 equals 1. Bring down 4, making 14. 14 divided by 12 equals 1. 1 times 12 equals 12. 14 minus 12 equals 2. Bring down 8, making 28. 28 divided by 12 equals 2. 2 times 12 equals 24. 28 minus 24 equals 4. Bring down 8, making 48. 48 divided by 12 equals 4. 4 times 12 equals 48. 48 minus 48 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 3,124.